welcome back to the Herbal Bunny. My name is Tamitha. I am doing a series of herbs in alphabetical order. I go down the list of the alphabet and talk to you about what the herb does, how it benefits your body, and how to take it. I am a family herbalist and a nutritional herbalist. I like to talk to people about how we can heal our bodies naturally with what nature has given us. I like to call it God's pharmacy. And it is amazing, amazing, amazing. I am currently still going to school to become a master herbalist, and then I'm going to pursue to become a naturopath. So that is my journey. Alright, go ahead and grab a piece of paper and pencil. Let's take some notes. I'll put everything up on the screen. I'll also put down in the description box as well what we are talking about. But first, hit the subscribe button and ding the little bell so you know when I post a new video. Our herb for today is Astragalus. Astragalus is a small, many-stem perennial plant that grows about 2 feet tall, and it has hairy stems with each leaf made up of 12 to 18 smaller pointed leaves. The plant has very small yellow flowers that are in clusters. The root is very fibrous. It's dark brown with a yellow core and has somewhat of a sweet taste. This has been used in Chinese medicines for 2,000 years and is a very popular tonic herb in the Chinese medicine. They call it yellow leader because it's classified as a superior tonic. And just like the previous herb we talked about, ashwagandha, Astragalus is also an adaptogen, which means that it can help protect the body against stress and bring your body back into balance. It's also great for strengthening the immune system. Astragalus also increases energy in the body and fights against lack of appetite, colds, ulcers, diabetes, and general weakness. And like I've said before, it does boost the immune system, and it has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antibacterial properties, and it also increases your blood circulation. Astragalus is very wonderful for using to boost your immune system. Chinese has used it for, like I said, 2,000 years. Even Western doctors have found that Astragalus produces interferon in the body as well as boosting your red blood cells. Interferon helps destroy microbes and viruses. It is an antiviral in its function, and this is often recommended for people that has compromised immune systems, like those with HIV or AIDS, or has chronic colds or infections in their respiratory system. Anyone who is fighting off serious diseases such as cancers and just weak immune systems can really benefit from this herb. Astragalus gets its immune boosting action from the high content of polysaccharides and flavonoids, and these are very potent antioxidants. The flavonoids actually protect the cells from dangerous free radicals, and the polysaccharides boost the production of the white blood cells and the active killer T cells to protect your body against diseases. It also increases production of the interferon, a potential antiviral chemical. Astragalus has also been used for people with heart problems. It helps strengthen the heart and protect the blood vessels. It also helps prevent plaque from collecting in the arteries, and this helps increase the blood flow to the heart. People with weak hearts often take this herb to relieve breathlessness and distress in the chest area. Also, it's all been taken to help lower cholesterol and blood pressure, so very, very good for those with high blood pressure or coronary conditions. And I just want to comment that the more we change our diet and eating a whole plant-based food diet will decrease our chances of getting high blood pressure, cholesterol issues, and also it helps heal our heart. So if you are eating a lot of meat and dairy products, if you can cut back and get in more fruits and vegetables, that's going to be beneficial to your body overall. And because Astragalus is an adaptogen, it is also a protector of the adrenal glands, which produce stress-reducing hormones and is often used to fight the effects of stress and anxiety. Also, deep breathing and meditation every day and just taking the time out for yourself also reduces stress and anxiety. You know, go
to a comedy club, get some laughter in. That will just boost your adrenal glands to help produce those stress-reducing hormones. Astragalus is also great for those who work out, who are doing strength and endurance training. It's said to increase your stamina and vitality. Astragalus is really good for your digestive system. So if you can drink a cup of tea about 30 minutes before you actually eat a meal, it reduces gastric acid and inhibits gastric secretion. It is also often used to treat stomach ulcers. Okay, now let's do a review on Astragalus. It improves the functioning of your immune system, treats chronic fatigue syndrome, and relieves the symptoms of fibromyalgia, diabetes, enhances your metabolism, helps boost your immune system for those who have HIV or AIDS. It also enhances strength. It reduces stress, aids in your digestion, treats kidney diseases, cancer, boosts your energy and stamina, treats ulcers, any urinary problems, prevents heart disease, and treats high blood pressure. And that is also if you can change your diet. So that is very important. Diet. Fruits and vegetables. Also, Astragalus treats fatigue, night sweats, inflammation. It also supports the functioning of your liver. It's an antiviral and antibacterial. It also stimulates your white blood cell production. Now we're going to talk about how you can use Astragalus. The part that you want to use is the root. You put this in a soup, you can eat it, boil it, you can drink it as a tea, you can dry it out and blend it up into a powder, put it in capsules, take like 2 or 3 of them a day. You never want to take Astragalus root if you're pregnant or nursing or have any serious health issues unless you talk to your doctor. You consult with your doctor. Also, taking large doses of Astragalus root can cause diarrhea and gas.
Alright, that is it for this herb. Hopefully I'll get one posted again in a few more days. If you have any questions, go ahead, leave them in the comments down below. Also hit the like button, share button, subscribe button, the little bell, so that way you know when I make another video. Alright, you guys, you have a great day, and let's all get healthy together. Bye!